So very easy topic. Okay. That is this. So it's a very simple process. Okay. That how do we determine whether nitrogen is present, how much amount, hydrogen is present, sulfur is present. So estimation of that particular compound. Okay. Correct. See, for example, let's take that we all know that uh, what is it? Let me see, tell you one example. For example, any government official or anyone has taken bribe. Okay. Yeah. So I think you have heard about the phenolphthalein test to catch what the individual is accepting the bribe. So they will uh, what they'll rub some solution into that particular notes, correct? And once they dip into the hand of the solution, that white color solution will turn into pink color or violet color, correct? So we can catch those people. Okay. So why I'm again telling you is that this is a kind of a boring topic. Okay. Because nothing is there from my end to teach, to be very frank. Okay. So this is what the main objective is, to find what, how much amount of nitrogen is present, how much amount of sulfur is present, how much amount of, let's take, halogen is present, all of those things. So there's something called sodium fusion extract, or that Lezani's reagent. You can read what it is here. Simple thing, correct? Then for test for nitrogen, the sodium fusion extract, SF is called sodium fusion extract plus freshly prepared what, sodium fusion extract is this Na plus C plus N, okay, correct? Plus freshly prepared ferrous sulfate solution. And if I heat it, then if I add what, ferric chloride and dilute HCl. So all of those things I have to do it. Okay. So if I get a Prussian blue precipitate or a blue color, then nitrogen is present. So all of these things, the reactions you have to study and by heart. This we have to by heart. No matter which teacher teaches, we have to by heart this thing. Test for sulfur again. Okay. Again, sodium fusion extract plus dilute acetic acid plus lead acetate. Okay, if black precipitate is formed, sulfur is present. Or else sodium nitroprusside test. So SFE plus this sodium nitroprusside. And if it turns violet color, then also sulfur is present. Test for halogen. But in this, I'll tell you the most important thing which is asked is nitrogen. So for students who are feeling very much difficult to remember all of those things, only I'll tell you to remember nitrogen first. Second priority should be sulfur, and the last should be what, halogen. But again, these things are asked in entrance also. Okay, so we think this is easy, correct? Very, very easy, and they will give all of these things in the entrance also. So we have to know what precipitate, what it is there. Suppose in the entrance examination, they'll give us yellow precipitate, which is insoluble in NH4OH. So which means iodine is present. If they give pale yellow, bromine is present. White precipitate, chlorine is present. So the small, small things, minute things, they will ask in entrance. Okay, so that's the reason this is a very, very important topic also, the Liebig's thing. And I'll be giving tests also now only. So you have to study all of these things. Then this thing, the diagram you can see, right? This will be asked for 5 marker. So diagram carries 3 mark. If it is a 5 marker, this diagram is carrying 3 mark. So study the diagram first. Not these kind of reactions where these kind of things hardly have 1 or 2. Diagram is having 3 mark. Then read this thing and write in your own words. Don't try to by heart and do. Never ever by heart anything now on words. Whatever you understand, do it. And one more thing, very, very important thing. While writing for the examination, please remember, do not make scratches. The moment you make scratches, then teachers will find out. Okay. Suppose if you're writing this is was a hydrogen, it is okay. I'm just writing here. This is was a hydrogen. Is it correct, Roshni? This is was a hydrogen.
Uh,
No,
I
right?
mean the context.
Yeah, contest okay. But the
The,
thing is, what will scratch the thing, right?
yeah,
Correct.
like you'll scratch
Yeah, the full thing
was.
will scratch. This is was a hydrogen doesn't make any sense. Correct. But the key thing is we have technical points. This is chemistry. This is not English examination. Okay. So we will use Shakespeare in English, which has got no grammar. Okay. So the teachers also what they'll feel. Okay. The students are straight from the basic medium, not from the English medium, and they come. Correct. Uh, so they'll also feel that emotional connect. But still, that the student is trying. So don't never ever scratch. Fill the pages. See, these much things if you write to both Roshni and Aryan, I'm telling, no one is going to read anything. No one has got a time also to read. But technical terms should be there. Kindly remember this till you finish off your studies. So this is was a hydrogen, this is was a nitrogen. That's completely fine. Okay, because we are not writing for the English grammar or anything. So whatever is there, you write it down. Even if it is a mistake, do not scratch. Do not scratch it. Okay. And write point by point to everyone. Not like this paragraph, point by point. Right or wrong, write point by point with full of confidence. That's it. And if you write this was a hydrogen, suddenly the teachers will feel an emotional connect. Even if I am correcting the paper, I will feel that okay, this guy or girl, he or she is trying. Correct. So I'll give them extra marks. Okay, but the secret only we know. Okay, so that is one more thing. So coming to this, the estimation of hydrogen by Liebig's method. So this is something that they might ask for the examination again. Percentage of carbon. Okay. So coming to the calculation part, this also you remember. Mass of the organic compound. The compound what I have is W gram. I don't know the weight. Obviously, if I burn a hydrocarbon, then obviously carbon dioxide and water will be formed. Okay. Correct. And the percentage of carbon. So 44 gram of carbon dioxide contains 12 gram of carbon. Because oxygen is 32, 16 plus 16, 32 plus 12, 44. Correct. So mass of carbon present in x gram of carbon dioxide, which means x into 12 is equal to 44 into something. So I have to find what x. Okay, so this into this mass of carbon is this into this is equal to this into this. So 12 into x is equal to 44 into this. So 12 into x by 44, I'll get a grams. So percentage of carbon is what a by w into 100. So and this also you have to remember. The percentage of carbon is 12 into mass of carbon dioxide into 100 by 44, 12 by 44 into mass of that organic compound. W is what? Mass of the organic compound. Percentage of hydrogen, again water. 18 grams of water contain 2 grams of hydrogen. Correct? Again, what we do 2 into y by 18. That's all. 2 into y by 18. I'll get B. So I'll get B by W. What is my B? Correct? So 2 by 18. Correct? That is nothing but my full B into mass of water into 100 by mass of the organic compound. That was A by W into 100. This is B by W. This or this. Either A by W into 100 or this or B by W into 100 or this. Okay, whichever you're feeling comfortable. Clear both of you? Again, these things, nothing to teach in this. You have to understand and you have to do it. Clear? Huh? So what I want is I want both of you to, I'll be sharing the document now. Yeah. So study these things and then write the test now. Okay, so what you have to do is, I'll tell you what to write in the test. I want you to study what? I want you to study the preparation of lessons, reagent, everything. Then test for it. Like the same table I need. Same reactions I need. If there is 4 NaCN, I need 4 NaCN. Anything missed, 0 marks. Any number missed is 0. Okay. Test for sulfur. Again, I need the same thing. Test for halogen, I need the same thing. Tables and everything. Phosphorus, I'm least interested. So leave about phosphorus. Okay, that is up to you on whether you want to write it or not. And for the estimation of carbon and this thing, I need a diagram. I need a diagram as well as I need the calculation part. That is important for me. Diagram and the calculation part. Clear to both
So
of you?
what about the text, like the procedure?
Just read it and write it in your own words. 2-3 points. That will be fine. Okay, that will be fine. Whatever you understand, just write it in your own words. But technical term should be there. This is was oxidized also you can write. It doesn't matter because I'm not going to read anything. But if you make scratches or if you're not confident, then I'll see it. So you understood the questions, right? Both of you? Aryan and Roshni? Yeah. Okay. So do that. Okay. So that's it.